Hey guys, welcome to our technical overview. My name is Alejandro Zambrano, Chief Market Analyst with Amana Capital. So we're going to take a look at the euro in today's presentation. The reason for this is that we saw the euro soaring yesterday following comments by the head of the European Central Bank, Mario Draghi. In essence, he told us that the risk for deflation is gone and we should prepare ourselves for inflation going forward. Now, any changes to their policy is obviously going to be gradual, so they're not anticipated to do anything just yet, but the market are seeing this as something different and are buying the euro on the back of these news. So let's take a look at the daily chart to get a rough idea really where the market could be trading. So this is just a daily chart using the Amana Capital MT4 account, and prices right now trading around 113.67, and this level here is a level just above or at really the August 22nd high of 2016, and we breached this level, which in essence opens up for a further rise towards the next level, which is the level here from June 2016, 114.25, followed by another level which is 114.88 and 116.16 up here. So if we zoom in here, we now know a little bit more really of which potential targets the market may be able to reach. And if you look at the daily here, the trend is really bullish, or it's clearly bullish really, above 111.09. And traders are probably going to wait for a little pullback and then aim for higher levels. So we can use a daily chart or a 1 hour chart, to pinpoint that. So we can start out by just taking a simple Fibonacci from the very high to the most recent low. This gives you the 3 different fib levels. I'm also going to zoom out here and take a look. So I said, bullish about 111.09, but in the short term, I think we can reduce this risk to something like 111.60 down here. And you have the 3 fib levels. Now these fib levels could be interesting levels for traders to go along. You can also use classic support and resistance. So the prior resistance level here, which was 112.85, could potentially act as support and then act as an opportunity really for traders to go long again. So I wouldn't go long up here, rather waiting for a pullback to say the 50% pullback level, the prior breakout level, and this might even continue to move a little bit lower here, maybe down to 112.42. However, as long as you trade above 111.60, or if you don't want to be too close to all the action, 111.09, then I do think this could potentially bounce. And then, as I said before, try to hit those levels as I showed you on the daily chart. In other words, 114.23 and maybe 115 up here. Let's take a look as well at the pound. So this is the pound versus the USD. This is a daily chart, and you can see how the market was bearish. And when we did the last update, we said look to sell here for this to move down lower. Now that worked out great. Since then, the market has bounced, and at one point it did look like it was going to head lower again, but the market refused to do so. Instead, the market has now breached this level here and did so yesterday. And I suspect that we might have another bullish day or two for price to trade a little bit higher, and then we'll see if it wants to trade above 129.79, which is this high here created a few days ago. The exact date is the 8th of June. So for now, we ended this little downtrend. I think we might have a little pullback and then head higher. Again, we can use something like the 1 hour chart to get a better view really of which levels matter for the short-term trader. Now, one of these levels is 127.04. So this is support really. And again, we can use the Fibonacci as we've done in the past. We can take the fib from the low to the high, or the other way around, doesn't really matter because the levels are the same. And you can see we bounce from the first level, which is 38.2. Now, this could easily just move up higher now. But if you're not long, then there's not too much we can do about it at this stage. I think we need to wait for a pullback. And I think the third fib around 27.61 makes sense as well. It's relatively close to this breakout level. So I think we can have a little bit of a pullback here, if we have such a pullback, I think traders will be interested. Start to focus on this currency pair close to 27.82 down to 27.65, so down here, and this could potentially move up to the prior high seen yesterday, and then maybe move up higher to 129, and then we'll see if it wants to take out 129.79. And with this, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for notifications and emails when we upload new videos. Thank you very much and have a brilliant day. Thank you.